Good morning, Principal Ma'am. Good morning, teachers. And good morning, my dear friends. I am Devumanda, class UKG, DWW, Shiliguri. Today I am taking part in experiential learning activity on germination. I have taken a marigold plant. Now I am giving some seeds marigold plant. Now I am giving some soil and watering the seeds. Now we have to wait for few days to grow the plant. I am leaving my plant for few days. After few days, my marigold plant grows up. Few birds came out from the plant. Marigold flowers. Thank you.